Good afternoon, everybody. I'm here showing you my latest camera that I added to my content creating. I have here 4 cameras in my repertoire. First camera I ever used when I started this channel was this bad boy right here, the GoPro Hero 7. From there, I moved to the GoPro Hero 9. Great camera, both cameras still work. I haven't used this guy for a while. And then I purchased this camera right here, the Sony FDR X3000. I've used this camera multiple times, great camera, still working as well. And then my latest purchase was this guy right here, the GoPro Hero 11. I got the content creators package, comes with this light microphone. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my new camera, which is this guy right here, the GoPro Hero 11. Been incredible so far. The GoPro Hero 9 is still a great camera. You have the Hero, only missing now the Hero 10, Hero 8, but yeah, GoPro make good cameras, but I just want to show you the cameras that I have. And I'll continue using probably all 3 of them. I won't be using this guy as much, but definitely the other 3 I'll be using on a regular basis. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. And yeah, new video coming out soon. And which one is your favorite of these 4? Let me know in the comments below. Cheers.